Welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to prepare Idiyappam today. For preparing this, I have taken about 1 cup of rice flour which I have prepared in home. We can prepare 8 Idiyappams from this 1 cup of rice flour. So to this rice flour, I'm going to add some salt. And always for preparing this Idiyappam dough, you need to use hot water. So I have heated up some water and I'm going to add that water gradually to this flour and start preparing the dough. This dough preparation will take only about 2 minutes. As you are using hot water to mix it, use a spatula to mix the flour. So I have started mixing the flour now. So the dough shouldn't have any excess water. That is why I'm adding water gradually to this. If there is excess water in the flour, the noodle will break, and that is why we need to make sure the flour doesn't have any excess water in it. Once you have added enough water to the flour, combine the flour together to form a soft dough. You can see how soft the dough is. So now the dough is ready. Let's start preparing the Idiyappam. I'm going to use this Idiyappam maker for preparing the Idiyappam, and I'm going to use the disc with medium size holes in it. I have added that disc first and I have started adding the dough now. Once you have added enough dough into the Idiyappam maker, start rotating the Idiyappam maker, and you can see nice thin noodles coming out of it. We need to steam this Idiyappam for about 10 minutes. For that, I'm using an idli steamer. I have filled about 8 Idiyappams with this. And I have filled the base of the steamer with some water, and I'm going to close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. If you have excess dough inside the Idiyappam maker, make sure to cover the base with something like a plate. If not, the dough will automatically get squeezed out. Now it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to check how the Idiyappam is cooked. The thinner the flour, the softer the Idiyappam will be. This Idiyappam came out super soft because of the flour. The best combination for this Idiyappam is vegetable stew or sweetened coconut milk, or you can use any gravy of your choice. Do try this recipe and let me know if you have any feedbacks. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for updates.